In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your Shopify store password. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside, click Online Store from the left-hand menu and then select Preferences. Scroll down until you find the Password Protection section. If password protection is enabled, you'll see the current storefront password displayed in the password field. You can view, edit, or replace it as needed. If you don't see a password, your store may be publicly accessible or password protection may be disabled. You can enable it by checking the password protection option and entering a new password. Remember that Shopify does not allow you to view your account login password for security reasons. This method only lets you check the password used to protect your storefront while it's hidden from the public. That's it. You've successfully checked your Shopify store password. Thanks for watching.